It's that time of year again. Many of you may have been hearing about Lyme disease, and the truth is Lyme disease is here in Western Pennsylvania. And as a result, it's time to be thinking about making sure you're protecting yourself when you're going to the park, when you're climbing or hiking in the woods, or any place where those ticks might be lurking. You might be asking, well, what is Lyme disease? Lyme disease is a bacterium that's spread by deer ticks. These are very tiny little black ticks that are almost smaller than a pencil head. And when you're walking, they hang around on trees and bushes, and it's very easy for them to get onto your skin. We advise that you wear clothing that protects your skin, basically covers up all of those open parts, and also use DEET or some product that contains DEET as a bug repellent. When you finish your jaunt in the woods or going out, we suggest that you check for ticks. And if you see any of them, please take them off and remove them. Now, what happens if you actually get bitten by a tick? Well, the challenge here is that Lyme disease is something that, number one, generally causes a rash, and you might get that type of rash. Typically, it's a bullseye rash with a central area of red, and then a clearing, and then a sort of a circular red area. The next thing, however, that can happen is a whole variety of symptoms that tend to be arthritic types of symptoms. We definitely want to catch Lyme disease before it gets to that point. So if you are bitten by a tick, we suggest that you visit your physician, and they will help to determine whether or not you should take antibiotics, which is the method of curing this particular condition. A lot to understand, and you can certainly go to our website for more information where we have an informative information on Lyme disease. With that said, have a great time outdoors, protect yourself, and hopefully you'll have a great summer.